Hi, welcome to Sacred Heart University. I know this is a really exciting time in your life as you launch your college career, and I'm excited to be a part of that very first day of classes for you. You have a lot to look forward to, but I also recognize that this can be a sort of scary time for you. There's a lot happening, and some of it may be overwhelming. So this video is my attempt to demystify at least one little piece of it. I am Professor Bauer, and we are going to be working our way together through a course called Love, War, and My Responsibility. The course is really what we call Freshman Seminar, and you will come to understand that Freshman Seminar has many different names depending on the theme chosen by the professor who is teaching that particular section. So what do we mean by Freshman Seminar? What is it all about? Well, we have two main goals. First, we have to learn to research and write at the college level, which is very different from what you did in high school. So this course will help to prepare you for all the other courses that you will be taking over the next 4 years. Our second goal is to learn about seminar discussion, which is very, very different from being in a lecture course. You're probably accustomed to sitting in a chair and having someone lecture at you, and you take notes and then you take a test. This is very different. We're going to be sitting around a conference table, and you are going to be talking to each other about the texts that we will be reading. Your opinion matters, your life experiences matter, and it's okay, in fact encouraged, to disagree with one another. We will learn how to disagree respectfully, and it's also a great preparation for when you get into the working world where you have to sit around a table and do problem solving, or in a staff meeting report on what's going on. So it should make you more comfortable with what is coming down the pike for you after your graduation. Now let's get back to that theme of love, war, and my responsibility. What I am referring to here are big systems, which could be governments, corporations, or other entities that have some degree of control over us, but we may disagree with their policies and or their actions. A great example of this is the Holocaust. There were many, many people who disagreed with the Nazis, but they were powerless to stop them. So they decided that they might help one, or perhaps a group, or perhaps a great number of Jewish people at some great risk to themselves. Some of these people lost their lives as a result of the decision that they made. In modern times, an equivalent might be the sanctuary cities. The mayors of these cities have decided that they will provide safe haven for immigrants against the federal government's wishes. The mayors know that they may lose federal funding as a result, which could mean losing their jobs because that's very politically sensitive. Whether you agree with their decision or not doesn't matter. This is a course where we share ideas, where we state our opinions, and we do it respectfully. So I hope that whets your appetite a little, and I look forward to meeting you on Monday.